In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download LibreOffice for PC or Mac or Linux or whatever program or computer you're using. So first of all, what you need to go up here to your search bar and click in us.libreoffice.organization or .org. From here, you need to scroll over here and find the free Office suite, LibreOffice 4, and you need to click on download. And then you're gonna get into this page to the main installer, where you can download the version right now is 7.5.5. And as you can see, you need Windows 7 or newer, which is required to get LibreOffice. So you need to download this. And as LibreOffice 7.5.5 Windows is being done installing, you need to click on it like so. And then this page, the Windows installer preparing to download. And as you can see here, now apparently mine is in Danish, but yours should be in your language. So after you read this, you just need to click next. You can either choose the typical or the customizable package. I'm just gonna click on the typical. And then you can make a shortcut onto your desk, or you can open LibreOffice whenever you are starting up your computer. And I'm just gonna click install, and this one a couple seconds to a couple minutes depending on your computer. And as you can see now, the installation guide has been successfully done, and you need to click finish. Then from here you need to go down to your Windows tab, and as you can see now, your LibreOffice is down here, and you can click on that, and then LibreOffice should opening up, as you can see there. And right there, then you can choose between the writer document, the calculator document, the Impress presentation, the drawer, or the math formulas database. If you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!